friends, welcome to our video this time. We will learn something fun and interesting, namely drawing our favorite vehicle, a box truck. Prepare your drawing tools, and let's start this drawing adventure together. The first step. We will start by drawing the basic shape of the box truck car. Remember, nothing is perfect at first. So don't worry if the picture isn't perfect. The important thing is that we learn and have fun. Once the basic shape is complete, let's add the details. Don't forget to draw the wheels, windows, and other important parts of our box truck. Remember, if you find it difficult, you can pause this video and resume it when you are ready. What is important is the learning process, not the end result. Now it's time for the most fun part, coloring. You can choose your favorite color for this box truck. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. Maybe a green, red, blue box truck or a purple box truck. It's all up to you. Red. blue. purple. Finished! Look, what a cool box truck we have drawn together. I'm sure you all have done a wonderful job. Thank you for drawing with me today. Don't forget to practice again and again, because practice makes perfect. See you in the next video. Good luck and happy creativity, friends!